Well, that's 'cause they're half-breeds.
Are they?
Yeah, would you please bring...
What do they mix with?
I need a bag of blackbird seed. They eat that up. When you're getting that bug spray,
Yeah.
get a bag of blackbird seed. They love the blackbird seed. Nurses, they really flew in to come in to eat. They're hungry. David's filming them.
Trying to, it's still hard because I can barely make them out. Daisy, leave them alone. I'll get on to you. She's looking at them. There's your big squirrel.
You see my squirrel?
Yeah. Daisy was looking at him a while ago.
Where is he?
Out there by that tree.
Which tree?
The dead tree.
Oh, you know where's the dead tree?
Yeah, he's eating under that, underneath that
Oh,
thing.
he's on the ground. I see him. Yeah, I heard some black seed put in that deal. It's empty. They're wanting some out of there. Oh, them redbirds are beautiful. I mean, there is so many of them redbirds, it's not funny. Look at them.
Yeah.
Sorry, David, close the door. Oh, there's so many of them redbirds.
I wish I could go out there, but they'd run off.
I know, I've got to get Sam some that to feed them. They're calling. Oh, there is so many, but there's 20 or 30 of them redbirds out there, I see them.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of redbirds out there. Eating out of that feeder over there.
Look, on that branch right there.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of them.
Sam,
So many of them.
when y'all get through with all your shopping and stuff, my birds has got to be fed. I got about 30 redbirds in this backyard. Dad's supposed to pick up a thing of blackbird seed. Okay, 'cause they sure are hungry and they're so beautiful. I never seen that many in the backyard before. You okay? Okay. Talk to you at 12. Bye-bye.